You tell me you're in love with me, like you can take those pretty eyes away from me.
What's up, you guys? Back again with another natural hair video for this channel. Today I will be testing out a brand new Eco Styler gel that I've never used before. One of my subscriber told me about it when I was doing the Eco Styler gel series, reviewing all Eco Styler gel, and she hit me up on this. And when I went in my beauty supply store, I found it and I was like so amazed. So this is it, you guys. It is the Rosemary Mint Oil Limited Edition Eco Styler Gel. Now I am so excited to try it out, and I say to myself, oh, why not hop on here, do a review, do from start to finish as I normally do, and let you guys see the result. Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I always love to start out with freshly washed hair, freshly washed conditioned hair. So this is how my hair is looking. As you guys can see, I have a lot of hair, and I also have different hair texture. I really believe the back of my hair and to the side of my hair are textured tree, and then the front of my hair, as you guys can see, it has different hair texture. The front of my hair is, I really truly believe, is a 4 type 4. And yeah, so I'm gonna start now. So I'm gonna open it. As you guys can see, the gel is brand new. I bought this gel for around $4 and change. Yeah, I find it was a little more on the pricey side, seeing the size of the gel. Let me smell it out. Ooh, okay. I'm smelling like a minty. I'm definitely smelling the rosemary inside of it, and I'm smelling the mint. Okay, it really has that rosemary mint scent. It smells clean, it smells fresh, but it is really strong with the rosemary mint scent. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna start off. As you guys can see, my hair, it is no longer dripping wet. I'm gonna apply the gel directly to my hair with no leave-in conditioner, nothing to disturb the gel. I love to give the gel, let's say, I love to apply the gel directly to my hair with no disturbance, nothing like that to cause flakage, nothing like that. I love to give the gel the room. Voila, that's the word I'm looking for. The room to just do its thing, the room to shine, and all that good stuff. So I'm gonna start off by sectioning my hair. I'm gonna put this to the side. And also today I will be using my brand new Denman brush. Yes, I went ahead. I went in ahead and I repurchased a brand new Denmin Brush. So this will be my first time trying it out. I haven't used a Denmin Brush in a very long time, so I am excited. Okay, so I went ahead and I comb out the hair, and I'm gonna start right now. So let's check out the consistency of this gel, the thickness. Okay, this gel is really thick. It's not running out. It's jiggling, but it's not running out. So that's a good thing. Let's see. Okay, it feels thick. It feels similar to the clear Eco Styler gel. The smell is quite strong, really strong, you guys. If you do not love that rosemary mint scent, yeah, let me warn you guys to don't purchased this gel because the scent is quite strong. But if you love the scent, if the scent don't bother you, go right ahead and purchase it. Okay, applying more. Okay, the curls is popping already. Ooh, okay, okay. Denman Brush is doing its thing as usual. Wow, I'm gonna apply more gel to the hair. So if the hair is thick, if you have thick hair like mine, don't hesitate to apply gel to your hair. And that's it. The hair is already feeling soft. I can literally feel the oil in the gel. Nice. Okay, we're gonna continue. Okay, you guys, so I just wanted to hop on and let you guys see more or less how it's looking. I find it has a lot of oil in it. You can literally feel the oil within the gel. It's giving me shine, it's giving me curls definition. I'm not seeing any frizz inside, but the real results is going to be once the hair is 100% dry, because for me everything looks perfect wet. Every gel would look really nice wet, but the real deal is once the hair is dry. So we're gonna continue. Instead of putting on a background music, I say to myself, why not use this opportunity to encourage my sister that is watching this video? As you all know, I love the Lord and I also love natural hair. So in this channel, you'll see a lot of natural hair videos, yes, but you'll also see videos with me encouraging you about my God, boasting about my God, letting the world know what my God is capable of. God is so good. A lot of people love to say God is good, and indeed He is. But we oftentimes say that God is good only when things are going good for us, only when we're succeeding, only when we're soaring, only when we're having a good time. And when things is working out on our behalf, we say God is good. But guess what? Even in the bad times, even in the sad moments, even in the rough and tough situations, God is still good. God cannot change. He does not change. He is and He will always remain good. And although we are going through our rough seasons, guess what? He is working things out for our good. Remember, He is always good. So that season that you're going through, that wave that you're seeing with your physical eyes, guess what? He will work it out for your good. I'm praying to God that I am encouraging someone out there, someone who needs to hear this message. Hold on to God unchanging hands because He is good. Okay, you guys, so as you guys can see, I finished my wash and go. Take a look, take a look. I find the hair, it is quite full already. I am loving the curl definition. I believe that came from the Denman brush. But overall, this gel gave me some beautiful clumps. I find that the curls clumped well together, and then as you saw, I break them apart, and some of them I even did some finger curling to it. But this is it. It is not the results because I have to come back once the hair is 100% dry. But so far, so good. Now back, my hair is 100% dry. These are the results. Take a look, you guys. Look how full my hair is. My hair is so curly and it is soft. Look at it. It is really soft. So if you are those type of natural hair girlies that loves whole, this gel might not be for you because it has oil in it. So I believe the oil brings moisture in the hair and that allows it to be really soft. But overall, as my curls can tell, can speak for themselves, what a results, and I am loving it, you guys. Look at that. My hair is so full, it is so long. Balm wash and go balm gel. Do give this gel a try. Remember, it is a limited edition, so do give it a try, and then let me know. Leave some comments down below letting me know how do you find my hair turned out. And if you guys have already tried this gel, let me know also down in the comments. Let me know how did it do for your hair. But overall, I am loving it. Do subscribe and stick with me, you guys, because I'll be bringing some more beautiful natural hair videos to this channel. Take care. Bye.